How to use the Audible app on iPhone. To get started, first of all, open up the Audible application. As you get there, you'll see personalized recommendations, a continuing playback section, and categorized content based on your listening habits on the home page. In the library section, you'll see a collection of titles, organized by sections like audiobooks, podcasts, wish lists, and so on. Then, in the Discover section, you can see curated content to help you find new books and allow genre browsing. Again, in the Profile section, you'll find settings and features that allow you to manage your personal account, customize your listening experience, and review your listening history. Over here, credits and badges are part of a gamification system to encourage engagement. The Kids profile here allows kids to listen to only the titles you choose. Moreover, in the podcast section of the library you'll see the downloaded podcasts and tap to play them. Here, you can see the duration of the podcast, tap to play and pause and adjust the playback speed of the audiobook. You can also see Car Mode, which is a simplified interface designed for safe and hands-free use while driving. The timer automatically stops the audiobook after a set amount of time. And the bookmark is a digital marker that saves a specific part in the audio so you can easily return to it later. Following these steps, you can easily use the Audible app on iPhone.